Well, this looks like a lightning fast machine. The F77, one of India's most hyped electric motorbikes, which we all have been waiting for very eagerly. I had previously made a video talking about the MFlux One and the Ultraviolette F77, but I hadn't gone into a lot of detail about those bikes. Here today I have picked the F77 to analyze it well, even though it's in its pre-production stage, and let you guys know about all the interesting high-tech stuff that they have built specifically for this electric motorcycle. Trust me, some of these are going to blow your mind. So this is Pawan and I insist tech. Let's get started. We know the looks, we have seen it, we have talked about it, we have seen other people talk about it. We know that it's really fast, impressive for a first gen product coming from a relatively new company. But let's get into the juicy stuff, the interesting stuff, the reason that I made this video for. Starting with the batteries, they're built so well. The robust batteries are one of a kind design, I would say. Just look at them, they are not half-baked or something. These look classy and are built with so much precision. The main part, these are modular batteries. That means you can completely remove them from the bike and carry it around. So there are 3 separate battery packs which make up about 4.2 kilowatt hours of capacity. Each battery pack has its own circuitry inside it with its own BMS, fail-safe systems, GPS systems, wireless communication systems and cooling systems. So these are their own standalone tech piece more than just an integral part of the vehicle. I mean, I would love to keep one of these in my room on show, on display. So if you light the battery pack down and see, there is both a wireless communication chip that can communicate with other battery pack wirelessly, and then there's also a wired pin to do the same. Alongside, you can see what looks like a power connector pin to charge them outside the vehicle. So I'm assuming that each battery pack must weigh around 6 to 8 kilograms, which is kind of heavy to carry around, but until it's inside your motorcycle, it shouldn't bother you much. With a normal slower AC home charger, you can charge all the 3 battery packs from 0 to 100 in less than 5 hours. And with a fast DC charger, you can charge these 3 battery packs from 0 to 100 in less than 90 minutes. These batteries can give a combined range output of 150 kilometers per charge, which is amazing for a sports bike. And look at this home charging dock which you get with the bike to charge your batteries at the home. I mean, tell me it looks cool as f. I saw how that enclosure thing opens up to store the batteries inside the bike, and I was freaking out. I probably watched it for the 10 times just to observe all the elegancy. I hope it works as smooth as shown in the production road models too. So every electric two-wheeler nowadays is coming out with its own smart connected hardware and a clean developed software to go along with it, and Ultraviolette calls it a very straightforward name, Smart Connect. Firstly, looking at the UI, the UI looks impressive. It has all minimal design, futuristic touches everywhere, and shows all generic stuff like a bike's SOZ, the riding mode and number of range left. You can set riding modes and the amount of regen through the phone app itself without touching the vehicle. Get to know real-time ride stats, check errors, etc, etc. Nothing new, as we know all these features are already existing in our modern electric scooters nowadays. Like the fact that you can change the bike's physical performance parameters like regen braking and torque delivery using just your phone app only. Also, the bike gets OTA updates every now and then so that you can make sure your motorcycle ages well. So there are 3 color choices available here: the Airstrike, the Shadow, the Laser. Personally, I love the color choices because they are not too generic. At the same time, they are not too out of the world. Maybe influenced by fighter jets, I guess, not sure. I love the Shadow color. Which color did you like? Let me know in the comment section below. Yes, so these were some of the outstanding features which I wanted to explain about the motorcycle. Rest of it I've already spoken about in my previous video. You can watch that and I link it in the description below too. But here are some highlights for you. The motorcycle has a max power output of 25 kilowatts, or the max horsepower which it can produce is 33.5 horsepower. The range is 150 kilometers per charge. The top speed is 147 kilometers per hour. It can do 0 to 60 kmph in less than 2.9 seconds, and the motor can produce peak torque of 90 Newton meters. Remaining information you can know by checking out my other video, because if I start repeating all that information here again, you guys will be bored to watch it. So that was a very interesting video about this particular electric motorcycle, the Ultraviolette S77. All the battery tech which is used inside it, the smart features of it, they all seem to be very futuristic and give us really good hopes for the future of electric vehicles in India. What are your opinions on the electric vehicle? Let me know in the comment section below. I would be really happy to read them. So if you ended up liking the whole video, don't forget to leave a like. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, this is Pawan signing out.